All right, so we're moving on to example 4. And this set of examples now, we want to look at where you need to make a substitution before you can solve the equation. All right, so for example, here I can see the common thing here is 2 to the power x. So I can start by letting y equal 2 to the power of x. We need to remember this substitution right at the end after we're done. So I'm going to substitute here 2 to the power x is y plus 1, 2 to the power x is y minus 1 equal 5. So there I made my substitution. I have a simple equation. I cross multiply y plus 1 equal 5 by y minus 1. I can remove my brackets. 5y minus 5y plus 1. It's a simple linear equation. I can take the y there. I have 5y minus y. I can take the 5 there. 1 plus 5. So I have 6 equal, this is 4y. So my y is 1.5. All right, but like I was saying, we need not to forget our original substitution. We said y is 2 to the power x. So we need to go back and substitute back. So this is 2 to the power x equal 1.5. Right, we need x. Remember, if x is a power, the only way we can drop it down is if we involve logarithms. I'm going to apply ln both sides. So if I apply ln both sides, I've got that equal that. Now, what I want to use here is that if I've got a power here, it drops down. So if I've got ln, say, x to the power y, this is the same as y ln x, so the power drops. So this is what I want to use. So the x drops down. I've got ln 2 equal ln 1.5. I need x, so I can divide by ln 2 both sides, ln 1.5 over ln 2. And if I do that on my calculator, I get 0.772. Of course, I need my solution to 3SF. Right, so importantly, don't forget, you need to make a substitution. Check for something that's common. So this is my second type of examples. Right, I'm going to do another example of this sort so that you clearly see what's happening. In my example 5, you can see the common thing there is e to the power of x, because check, this is ex plus ex squared equal ex cubed. Okay, so because this becomes e2x, this becomes e3x. So this is the one that's common, so that's my substitution. Let y equal e to the power of x. Right, so this is y, this is plus y squared, this is y cubed. I can bring all the terms the other side. So y cubed minus y squared minus y. Oh, it's an equation. I can factorize y squared minus y minus 1 equals 0. Now remember, we go either y is 0 or y squared minus y minus 1 is 0. This is quadratic. You can use the quadratic formula on it. And if you use the quadratic formula, you get y equal 1.618 or y equal minus 0.618. All right, so I break it down into these three here. I remember, like I said, always when you make a substitution, don't forget to go back. So I go ex equals 0. I go ex equal 1.618. I go ex equal minus 0.618. Right. Since x is a power, I'm going to apply ln. If I apply ln, I'm going to have ln e to the power x equal ln 0. Now I see ln 0 from my calculator will give me error. So this is error here. So it means that this will not give me a solution. Same applies this side. If I apply ln both sides, I'll have ln negative 0.618. This will give error. So I'll only have this solution. So ln e to the power x equal ln 1.618. I drop down here. So this is x ln e equal to ln 1.618. ln e is 1. So I have x equal ln 1.618. On my calculator, that gives 0.481 to 3SF. Right. So again, these kind of examples will rely on you making a substitution. Either you're given a substitution or you have to figure it out yourself. All right. Now, my last example of this sort. All right. So I need to show that that can be written if y equals. So here they're giving us the substitution. That's important. So I look at what I'm given, 2 to the power x. Now, using my laws, this is the same as 1 over that equal 1. So now I put my substitution. This is y minus 1 over y equal 1. I can multiply by y on each term. So I can go this by y, this by y, this by y. This becomes y squared minus, the y is cross out, 1 equal y squared minus y minus 1 equals 0. This is after bringing this there. I have it. It's now quadratic. Solve, like I said, link part 1 and part 2. C is the same equation. So you are solving that equals 0. And if you apply the quadratic formula, you get 1.618 or y equal minus 0.618. Okay, so these are my values of y. I now remember that I made a substitution 2 to the power x. So I go 2 to the power x equal 1.618. I apply ln both sides. So ln 2 to the power x equal ln 1.618. This is x ln 2 equal ln 1.618. I need x, so I would go x equal ln 1.618 over ln 2. And on my calculator, this will give 0.846. Now, as for the second one, 2 to the power x equal minus 0.618. Again, because this is negative, you end up with ln negative 0.618, which gives error. So you only have one solution here. All right. So I hope you did understand these two sets of examples, and I hope this helps you understand logarithms better. See you next time.